So if you increase any business sales, the option call is click for offer. Click for offer. Suppose you are any release offer. The offer will be two types, for education and for service and for e-commerce. Education nothing but suppose you are any providing training. So what you give the best discount for the offer you can release. Second thing will be suppose you are providing any kind of services. Will give the offer will be released. Third one, any e-commerce portal to promote any product by sale, t-shirts or shirts or points, any kind of option, we can go for create an offer. The offer will be in store, online, in store and online also. In store and online also. So this will be coming to both. So this will be your total give for what is that? Your certain offer. What is that? Discount percentage, discount amount, free item or service, free ship and customize. I'll give by discount for 20% item. So this will be add the item and the additional details, add your photo and expiration date. So I'll writing for my product of HTML website. So this I'm selecting here. I'm selecting one title here. Website promotion. So I'll give by let me see. Select it. Now, for the final thing is your website URL. Why? They're finally coming for where? Only for your website traffic. Why I'm give the online and in store. Both will be coming to where? This one. Here, not only we can promoting class, we can promoting for any training offers or any service offer, we can really promote. Select it. So offer will be careful to promote. So will you give the discount or not? You confirm with your company and start your promotions. Website URL and what the option is called? Shop now, send message, get direction, call and save. I'll give by call button. I'll give by call button. So what is the option is called? I give the call button. So what is it? Any promo code and condition and terms and condition. First 5 users. First 5 users. So this will be I can show the promotion. How much I give the discount for? 20%. I'll give the discount on my price. Just finally click for what is that? Schedule offer, boost post, share offer. Boost for nothing but paid. Schedule offer nothing but your offer will be scheduled. So go for schedule. In this offer will be scheduled on particular only for 1 month, not for 6 months. Any offer will be scheduled up to 1 month. Please note down. Any offer will be published. The schedule only for up to 1 month. Click for shared offer. So what are the posting here? Offer will be only display up to 1 month to schedule by your offer, not for more than months. So I'll providing offer. The final thing is call now. The final thing is called corner. So when click for here, the offer will be open to customer to pick the call and to see the direction and click for my page option. This will be shared and shared. To increase the view purpose, you can share to the other pages and we can share it by the groups, your friends timeline and your timeline and your story. This will be reach method. I'm starting for reach, share, first group, first groups, select your group. Now add the group will be post. Then next change to your profile. Why I'm changing to profile? To share your timeline. Share and first your story coming to along with your original post. Why? To increase my page likes. Post. Is it clear? Any offer to advertise to people to reach your audience and we can reach the public. Story done. Now select it. Your timeline. Paste it and click for post. In a posting time, you can add by your particular YouTube URL also. Particular YouTube URL also. How you can advertise on your business. So share or that send as a message. Select your message. Select your persons and click for send it. This will reach for the every person will be they'll get individual chart. Next will be your friends timeline. Again, you can share it by multiple friends. Tag your friends here. We all discuss anything. You can discuss about the one friend and multiple friends. I don't know how many members I'm saying. Below will be 5. One person will be main one. Total I'm saying for 6 people tagging my post. This will be tagging on your post application on your particular Facebook page to advertise on your offers, to friends timeline, your timeline, and your groups and other pages. Always remember, same information don't share by private message and friends timeline. Always same repeat. Change options. Change your options and offer and your videos share to any public by your new information. These are mainly using for your friends timeline, your timeline. This will increase your news portal views. They increase your news portal views. Share option and the final one, share to your page. Share to your page. Select it. Click for post. Is it clear? This is called to advertise your offers, to increase your leads, and particular sharing on your Facebook to page and every option.